hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie and I'm back with another video for you guys today. And today's video is going to be where I share some affordable products that I'll be using for a makeup tutorial. And before I get started, I kind of want to let you guys know that I lost quite a bit of footage for this video. I don't know if I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but I'm not quite sure. But I'm just going to start with you guys where I picked up at, and what I'm going to do is come back and do another video using the same products but maybe a different eyeshadow palette. So for the palette that I'll be using will be the LA Colors Nude Eyeshadow. And this palette here I picked up at my local Dollar General store. And I wanted to come to you guys just to share with you a affordable makeup tutorial. You know, you have someone here on YouTube that might not can afford to use high-end products. So I wanted to share in a tutorial on some of the affordable products that you can use. You might have to tweak a little bit of some of the products, you know, because they might not be as good quality as a high-end product, but I have gotten a lot of high-end products that really didn't work for me. So yeah, and with me being over the age of 50, I kind of wanted to give this a shout out to all the women over 40, over 50, plus over 60 as well, that they can also use affordable products, makeup products, to create a beautiful look. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And like I mentioned, I did lose a lot of footage. So I want you guys to just kind of bear with me and whatever footage that I did get. And I will definitely come back and share with you guys a full tutorial, making sure that I don't leave out any footage. I don't know if I deleted the footage or it just didn't record. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this palette do come with its own little applicator brush, but I don't use these. And these here are the shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and take me a transition shade, and I'm going to take that just maybe from one of my, I'm going to take it from my pressed powder. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it from one of my pressed powders, and I'm going to take it from 355 Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm going to use my Morphe M573 fluffy blending brush. So now I'm going to go into the palette, and as for this dark shade here, it's a chocolate shade. I'm going to go in that chocolate shade and apply it in my crease area. Now I'm going to use what's on my brush and just blend what was on that transition brush, that M530, or was it M573. For the crease area, I use C412 Deluxe Pointed Crease by Crown Brush. And this is the brush that I use for my crease area. So I'm going to go back into that chocolate color again that's in this LA Colors palette, the nude palette. Okay, so I'm going to do maybe a cut crease. already have my creases cut, and I'm going to go in with, and I'm going to apply this one first. Then I got my clean brush here, and I'm just going to go between those two shadows and blend. So yeah guys, so for my inner corner, that's going to be the same shade. And I'm just going to find my little brush here. I'm going to take my Duo concealer brush, go into that, and put it in the inner corner. Well, okay my beauties, well this here is the final look using all affordable makeup products by the brand LA Colors. You can also pick up LA Colors at your local Dollar General. I think they have it at Family Dollar Store, Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if it's in Walmart, but it might be in some of the other drugstores. And yeah guys, this here's the look. And yeah guys, kind of feeling this look a little bit. So for us mature women, you can also create a beautiful makeup look using affordable makeup products. You don't have to go out and break the bank in order to glam yourself up, beauty yourself up, or whatever you want to call it. You can also use affordable makeup products. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. You can also hit on that notification bell next to it so you guys can be notified when I upload videos. I mainly upload once or twice a week, but I would definitely come back and share with you guys on when I'm going to start uploading. I'm going to have a set schedule. So yes, until next time, you all be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing to someone else, y'all. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.